everyone, and welcome to Inspired Foodies and Vlogs. So for a while now we've had the word vlogs in the channel name. This was because we wanted to introduce some vlogs to the channel. Eventually we would be also doing things such as traveling, because we're both travel enthusiasts. So we want to be able to share the world with you, as well as cuisines all over the world and so on and so forth. So we decided we're going to implement some vlogging into the channel. So today's our first vlogging adventure. As you can see right now, we're actually stuck in traffic, kind of. But I'm going to let my mother talk about today's itinerary.
We are traveling to Hoboken, Waterfront side. We want to expose some New York side, other side of the river. And I guess we're gonna do like a small picnic also there. We brought our blanket, and I think then we're gonna start continuing from vlogging from there. First we're gonna go pick up some food, and after that we're gonna show some side of the New Jersey side and some New York side in our vlogs. So I think I'm gonna pass it to Sarah. She's gonna continue now while I'm driving.
So like my mother said, we're going to the waterfront. It's because we wanted to share with you one of our favorite spots. So every weekend what we like to do is basically we usually go to a place where we call our relaxation place, basically, once a weekend, sometimes twice a weekend if we have the chance. We go to a waterfront area. We get to do a little picnic, or we do a little bit we grab takeout, we sit down, we relax, and we just enjoy the atmosphere.
Sunset, basically.
Or the sunset, depending if we can see the sunset.
Yeah.
But, right, so we like to just, like I said, we like to enjoy the atmosphere. We're taking in nature, kind of, in a way. We get to see, so basically where we're headed to right now, we see the Hudson River. The Hudson River is really famous in New York. It's known for basically the split between New York State and New Jersey State. We're in New Jersey. New York's right on the other side. And if you can see, I'm going to zoom in a bit. Far, far away, that's our very famous Holland Tunnel. That's what's the tunnel that connects you to New York. So this is like a 10-minute drive for us. It's not far.
It takes about from the house to the waterfront. It's about 10 minutes.
Right.
But since it's Friday and traffic is horrible and weather is
It's not Friday.
Sorry, it's a Sunday and traffic is horrible to go to New York side. You can see all the traffic that is going inside the Holland Tunnel that take you to New York City. You can see it is jam-packed already, and that affects the New Jersey traffic also while we are driving and close by the tunnel, so that impacts the traffic also.
Plus, there's also traffic in Hoboken, right?
There's always traffic because it's a waterfront area, and people go for dining because there's a bunch of very, very famous restaurants are there. Especially coronavirus, everybody likes to sit outside. Since there's a dining is outside, outdoor nowadays, people enjoys more and in the summertime is like more outdoor dining. So everything affect on each other. You like to show some cars, jam traffic cars.
Yeah, I can see. You're gonna have to reverse those. Oh, you won't be able to reverse.
Yes, it's packed.
It's crazy. See, even that car over there is blocking their path. So you're not the only one guilty. You gave them enough space, but that car over there.
No, but I feel bad. I'm blocking the intersection.
I know you're blocking the intersection. Okay.
But that's called New York, New Jersey traffic.
Yeah. Holland Tunnel traffic.
Holland Tunnel traffic. Let's put it like this. If you don't do all these things, you cannot make it to your spot.
And
that you have to do every single day in your life in a rush hour. So basically, even it's Sunday, still there's a rush outside.
So we're about halfway there. Usually we have to go, there are many ways to go where we have to go through, but usually we go through the Holland Tunnel route because it's like the shortcut version, I guess.
Yeah.
If you go through the streets, it takes a little bit longer.
And this is the road that is coming out from New York. That the traffic is coming out from the Holland Tunnel. That traffic brings from New York side to New Jersey side. So this is another highway. It's called Holland Tunnel Highway also, or it's called 139 or 19 US 19. All this traffic is coming from New York City. They're all entering New Jersey now. entering the
See,
here we're entering we're entering the Hoboken that is going to take us straight to the waterfront. It's a very small town, right by Holland Tunnel or other side of the New Jersey. That is basically all waterfront, and there's a lot of high-rise buildings.
it's not all waterfront.
Most of the area is a waterfront, and there's a lot of
No,
high-rise
it's
buildings.
actually not all waterfront. The deeper you go through the streets, the more you realize it's a lot of residential and
There was a time Hoboken used to be famous for young people. People they didn't like to like very city life, and they don't like the suburbs life. They used to all live in they like to live in Hoboken. But now time has been changed. There's a lot of inner city people are moving to New Jersey, and they all like to live in Hoboken now because it's close to New York. You can make it in train within 10 minutes to go to work. And people they work in New York City, they all can make it to work between 10 to 15 minutes. The train takes about 7 minutes or about 3 stops.
So we hit a lot of traffic again because we were supposed to take a left turn on a place called Washington Street, where is basically the main road to all the eateries, restaurants, bakery, everything. However, that street is closed. So now we'll be going parallel to it from behind. So you're gonna see a little adventure of us going through the backsides of the streets. But hopefully, along the way on a return home, we're able to go through Washington a little bit, and then we can exit out somewhere else. It's possibly due to construction, maybe. I don't know. Cones.
Yeah,
The whole street is empty there. Like you see,
they
only
do construction before the winter start. They fix a lot of roads in US because the winter time this roads get a lot of potholes, so they try to fix the road before the winter start. And first fall is almost in the corner.
it's around the corner.
Yeah, it's already around the corner.
And as you say, around the corner, there's already more traffic around the corner.
There's a traffic in every corner today. Here's all the outdoor dining that people been doing in the street lately. So basically the sidewalks of the streets, they all made them to the like a sheds, and people can sit outside.
Right now, we're looking for parking first of all, but right now we're actually entering the strip of where all the restaurants, basically the start of the park, where we wanted to show you what we usually do for our picnic. This is the main area of the park, the beginning of the park. You see a nice fountain. So on the right hand side, it's all of the parks. It can be split up in various areas. On our left hand side, this is what we call, I would say, the main strip, where you have all the restaurants, businesses, a lot of food trucks, as you can see. Ooh, that's a cupcake truck. I just noticed that first time. Outdoor dining all here on under a canopy. So a bunch of restaurants, pubs here. So this is the hot spot for dining, near the waterfront, right? On parallel to this is where's the hot spots for dining within Washington Street. So on our right, you can see water. This is all Hudson River. You can see Manhattan on the other side. It's a bit hard to see right now because of the trees, but in a bit we'll show you what it looks like. Lots of food trucks and ice cream trucks. And did we find parking? So we made it to our picnic spot. We had a good meal for dinner, right?
Oh yeah.
So this is the area we like to hang out at. This is Hoboken. It's a nice little park. We're on top of a hill now. We just set up our little blanket, had some food. So as you can see, it's all waterfront. Like here, we're able to see the buildings right across from the river. And you can tell, right there, that's New York, because
New York Empire State Building, the world famous.
over there's a nice, cute little boardwalk over there that you can walk towards. Get a feel of the breeze. It's usually really chilly at this time of the evening because the sun is set. But overall, nice view, little park there. Yeah.
Nick is already wearing a jacket, like a winter jacket. It's really windy here.
So in a bit, what we're gonna do actually in a bit is that We're gonna go down, have a little walk. We'll walk on the boardwalk, give you a little view of that, what it looks like.
In a few minutes.
And we'll walk. And when we make our exit, we'll be walking out on the boardwalk as well. So you get a nice view. You get to enjoy the atmosphere with us. It's those dinner cruises, right? So New York, on the Hudson River, there are a lot of private yachts, sailboats you get to see mostly during the day, but in the evening you see a lot of dinner, like, what do you call it, dinner cruises, basically?
Basically, they sail on the river for a few hours.
You get to dine, do a little dancing, I assume. They usually have a dance floor in those. Enjoy the music, enjoy the atmosphere, enjoy the water, and it's a good experience if you're new to New York. Didn't they stop allowing these locks?
But why do people put locks?
Usually it's to represent like a relationship or something. Most of them are relationship, but
They're locking their relationship.
yeah. But like I don't think they're supposed to put too many because it adds weight to
There were
the
more last time when we came.
because
Less.
it adds weight to the railing and it could be a health hazard. What?
The moonlight.
Oh, how it shines on the water.
Look like full moon, but it's not full moon. Look at the beautiful moon. This is a nice day.
Look at that.
See, look at the Freedom Tower. It's nice and blue. That's the Freedom Tower. Well, picnic's over. It's dark outside. So, before our vlogging adventure ends, we're gonna go pick up some quick takeout for my dad. And we're gonna end the night off with dessert by having some ice cream from McDonald's. I know it's not, the first name that comes to mind when you want ice cream, but McDonald's makes a mean ice cream cone, vanilla ice cream. So, we're gonna head over there right now. Just wanted to show you real quick, this is the side strip right across from the river. All the big restaurants are here, and they're very well populated and packed. Big pubs, big restaurants, and lots of ice cream trucks. So people are enjoying ice cream today. It is the summer after all. It's the evening. It's really hot outside. So we had a really good time tonight, right?
We had a great time tonight.
So this is us just saying thank you so much for watching. We hoped you liked our first vlog. You can expect many more vlogs every weekend. Hopefully we can bring some new content in terms of vlogging. We're still going to be cooking. We're still going to be doing recipes, don't worry. But as I said, we hope you enjoyed it. We definitely had a super duper fun time tonight. I don't mean to sound repetitive, but thank you again. And we hope you liked the glimpse of New York we showed you. We hope you liked the glimpse of New Jersey, specifically Hoboken, that we showed you. So expect another vlog real soon. Have a good night, everyone.
Good night.